How to create a calendar in Airtable. In this video, I'll show you how to create a calendar in Airtable. So to get started, go ahead and open Airtable from your preferred browser, sign in to your account, and head over into the workspace where you want to create a calendar. So make sure that on that workspace, you have set fields such as due date on your table to make sure that there is something to be put on the calendar. On your workspace, click on the workspace title at the top left of your screen and then select Edit Pages from here. Now once you're in, go ahead and head over into the Insights tab. So go ahead and click on Insights. So in the Insights tab, you'll basically find all of the reports that you have for your workspace. Scroll down into the area where you want to insert the calendar. Click on this plus icon and then select calendar from the options. So as you can see, the calendar didn't pop in here since there are no data to be fetched for calendars. So we'll try that one into the sample content calendar base. So head over into the title of your base at the top left of your screen, click on it, and you'll find this Edit Pages button. Now head over into the page where you want to add the calendar. Click on the plus icon at the right side of that specific section of the page. And then from here, click on Next, and then select Calendar from here, and then select Next again. So after this, you need to go ahead and set the data record that would be displayed on this calendar. So make sure that that has a due date that the calendar will display for you, and then click on Finish. So this is how it will basically look like. And that is how you can basically create a calendar in Airtable. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.